Understanding the Pace Setter, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Today, we're going to explore a fascinating English phrase, the pace setter. This term is widely used in various contexts, and understanding it can really enhance your English comprehension and usage. So, let's dive in and decode what the pace setter means. The pace setter refers to a person, group, or thing that establishes the speed, level, or standard for others in a particular area or activity. It's often used in sports, business, and other competitive or collaborative environments. A pace setter is someone who leads the way and sets an example for others to follow. The phrase, the pace setter, has its roots in athletics, particularly in races. A pace setter is a runner who leads the pack, setting the speed of the race. This concept extends beyond sports, symbolizing anyone or anything that leads by example, influencing the performance or behavior of others. 1. In business, a company leading its industry and innovation can be called the pace setter. It sets trends that other companies try to follow. 2. In education, a student who consistently scores high and motivates others to perform better is a pace setter in academic circles. 3. In technology, a new technology that changes how things are done and becomes a standard for others is a pace setter in its field. 1. Google has been the pace setter in search engine technology for years. 2. Usain Bolt was the pace setter in sprinting during his career. 3. In the fashion industry, certain brands are considered pace setters due to their influential designs. I hope this video has helped you understand the meaning and usage of the pace setter. Remember, it's all about leading the way and setting standards in any field. Keep practicing your English, and soon, you might become a pace setter in language learning. Goodbye and happy learning!